Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we are going to cover how to create a batch file. Batch files are great for things that you do all the time that can wind up being mundane, especially if you got a lot of things you need to do. Instead of doing all this right clicking, left clicking, and all this other stuff to make things work or to manipulate files and folders or create certain actions, batch files are great. Okay, so we're going to make a simple batch file. Okay, today that's going to consist of a one-line thing. You want to restart your computer. All right, so to restart your computer, you right-click, shut down, and then select restart. Well, that's great, but you don't want to do that. You just want to click it and then walk away from the machine and be done with the end of your day. Well, we can create a simple batch file. So what we're going to do is first we're going to open up command prompt. Okay, I'm going to do it this way. Type in CMD from the run line, or you can just hit the command prompt there. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is just type in our command, right? And the command to restart the machine is shut down. And then you switch -R for restart, and then -T, that's the time, and you can set in seconds how far off you want to do it. If you want to do it right now, you do 0. Okay, just to show you that the command's going to work. And you don't want to do this every day like that, right? So you hit it so you see the command works. Well, when the machine comes back up, we're actually going to write it in the batch file, and then we're going to click on it, and then all you do is done. Okay. So once the box comes back up, we will write our batch file. So let me minimize this and pause the recording. Okay, folks, we're back. Let's get back to our host box and then our virtual machine Windows 10 box. So it's back. I'm logged in. Okay, so we're going to create a simple batch file. So what we're going to do is open up File Explorer. We could create it on our desktop, but there's a method to this little madness here. I'm going to put it in our Documents folder. Okay, and we are going to right-click and select New, and a new text document. Okay, once that shows up, see it there. So we're going to open it up, and we're going to write that same command that we just used. Okay, which is shut down, tac R, tac T space 0. Now we got to save this. Now here's the tricky part. As soon as I find my mouse. Okay, and we're going to the file menu and we're going to save as. Okay, and we're going to call it reboot computer, or whatever you want to call it. Now the tricky part is if you save it the way it is, it's going to save it as a text file. But guess what? When you click on it, it's going to open it up as a text file. We don't want that. So you need to drop this down to where it says all files. And then you're going to add the extension .bat. Now you notice Windows knows what file type it is and gives you the icon what kind of file it is. Well, when we do BAT and we're going to save it, that icon will change. We're probably going to get a little warning too about that. Okay, we're not. Good. So now we can close the window. We go back and look, it changed the icon to like a little cogwheel. Okay, let you know that it is a Windows batch file. And if we right click on it and click edit, not open because it will execute it, you can see there's a command we typed in. So let's go ahead and close it. Let me find my window, my mouse again. Where'd she go? Nobody knows. Well, I'm going to do this. We're going to add another command in there as soon as I can find my mouse. Okay, there she is. We're going to put another command in front of this, and we're going to call it pause. Now, if you were going to use this for real, you wouldn't want it to pause, okay? Because the pause is going to make it stop until you hit a key to make it continue. Just to show you that our command is going to work, okay? So now we're going to close it again. We're going to close this file up. So find my mouse, and we're going to click X, and it's going to prompt us, do we want to save it? And we say yes. So you want to restart your computer every day. So let's move this, and you don't want to go to your documents, you want it on your desktop. So let's move this to the desktop. Now we can close that. And you see it's on our desktop. It's the same file. We right click and do edit. There it is again. Said I put that pause in there just to show you that it's not going to run until we are ready to do it. So let's double click on it. Okay. See, it even shows the command, pause. Hit any key to continue. Now we're ready to restart the computer. And let's do it. Hit any key, and there's our machine getting ready to restart. And at that point, you can walk away from your day because the machine's going to reboot. And she's going to come right back up. And there you have it, folks. So we learned how to create a simple batch file today to reboot your machine. Now you can fill that with any other commands, a sequence of commands, whatever you want to do. It's always best to test it before you actually put it in production. Okay? And voila, our computer has successfully rebooted. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.